Today, Leo is learning one of the most important life skills a child can have: how to swim. Come along as Leo learns new swimming skills, builds confidence, plays fun games, and discovers that learning to swim can be one of the best adventures of all. Parents, we'll be sharing helpful tips you can use to support your little swimmer every step of the way. Let's jump in!
Are you ready to go swimming?
I'm scared.
You don't gotta be scared, Leo. I'm here to help you. Are you ready to learn?
I'm not gonna fall.
No, I'm gonna help you, okay?
There's no need to be scared, Leo. Let's hop in the water and start our lesson. We'll take it one step at a time.
Oh, it's nice and warm, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna blow big bubbles in the boat. 3 seconds.
Blowing bubbles is the first step to get your child more comfortable in the water.
Good job, Leo. Give me a five.
I did it.
You did do it. This time I want your mouth and your nose in the water, okay? I got goggles for you. Look. What color are they? They're like Spider-Man. Are you sure? You could try. Just do it for 1 second. Good job. You did it. You did it for 1 second. Now can you do it for 3 seconds? Let's try for 3 seconds. Ready? Breathe in and blow. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, you're so good. Can you get your eyes in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get your eyes in the water. Go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
I'm scared of that.
I see you weren't scared to do that. We're gonna blow bubbles in the boat, but this time it's gonna give it some gas, okay? So blow bubbles in the boat. 1, 2, 3. Up.
Good bubbles,
God,
Leo.
you're so good. High five. Bravo. Yeah. And the boat goes whoosh, 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 whoosh. All right, we're gonna do it one more time, okay? This time I want your whole face in the water. Can you do that for me? Breathe in and go. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, you did a good job. You did it for 5 seconds.
Now that we know our bubbles, let's play another game.
What do you want to call this boat?
I'll call it Transformer.
Transformer. Okay, so the Transformer boat is driving through the sea, and he has all the rings with him. Whoa, those are all the rings. Can you drive the boat? Let's drive the boat. Don't drop all the rings. Uh-oh. It's the Bubble Monster. He's gonna go get your boat. Shh. Leo, take cover. He's gonna steal your rings. Oh, you got all your rings. Leo, you gotta save the boat. Save the boat. Save it. Oh no, he saved the boat. Oh. Ah. Hello, Leo. I'm the Bubble Monster. If you want all my rings, you're gonna have to reach for my minions first.
You get all the rings.
No, you're not. The Bubble Monster stole all your rings, and he put it under all of the minions. You gotta go to each frog and get each ring and put it back on your boat.
Let's save all the rings, Leo.
Which ring do you want to get first?
That one.
Ready? Blow bubbles, wake him up, he's sleeping. Oh, hello. If you want my ring, I want you to do a front float. Okay, Leo, make a big starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a bunch of dumbbells for you. Let's go get our dumbbells. What color is this, Leo?
Pink.
What color is this?
Purple.
What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Blue.
Good job.
Not yellow, blue.
Yellow and blue. All right, big starfish for me. Can you make a big starfish?
I'm scared. Can you hold me?
I will hold you right now. Starfish. Nice job. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to blow bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Up. Good job, Leo. You're gonna try it by yourself. Do you think you got it?
I got it.
Okay, 1, 2, starfish. 3. Oh, you did a good job, Leo. Okay, I think the froggy is asking for us. All right, Leo, you did a pretty good job. You could go get my ring now. Okay, go get it. Oh, you did. Good job, Leo. And put it back on the boat. All right, which one's next? Do you want to get the pink? Okay, wake him up. Blow bubbles, wake him up. Ooh, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh, hello. I want you to do a back float. Oh. Do you know what a back float is? Back float looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta put your head on my shoulder and you'll be okay, okay? Put your head on my shoulder, lean up, and look all the way. Big arms and big legs. It's important that you stay calm. If you don't stay calm, that's when you sink, okay? Put your toes in the water. You wanna get your toes in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, Leo. You did good. No hands. And up, Bubbles. Oh, you did it by yourself, Leo. High five.
My ring.
Let's go get the red ring. Pretty good job, Leo. You go get my ring now. Ah, that's so good. And put it on the boat. Put it on the boat. All right, Leo. We got 2 more rings to go. Which one do you want to get first?
Blue.
Blue. Can you wake him up and blow your bubbles? He's sleeping. Wake him up. Oh, hello. Hi, Leo. You want my ring? I want you to do a front glide. Can you two make a rocket ship for me? Stand up and make a rocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And splash, 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 splash. Watch me. Straight arms. Look to me.
You've got to make sure you keep your arms and legs together.
1, 2, 3. Big push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Oh, you did so good. Do you think you could go all the way to me?
Yeah.
You think so? All right, Leo. Try to go all the way to me, okay? Blow your bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God! Do you think we could do it without the dumbbell? I'm in front of you. Blow bubbles. You gotta go, Leo. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh, you did so good. Legs together. Oh, that's so good, Leo.
I think I can get the ring now.
The ring now. You're right. Let's go get the ring. Oh, hello, Leo. You're lucky you got it. You won't get it next time. Let's go get the blue ring. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you did a good job. Okay, put it on the boat.
We got 1 more to go.
You're right. We do got 1 more to go. Wake him up. Go like this. Woo. Oh, hello. Hi, Leo. I want you to do a backglide. Oh, do you know what a backglide is?
Yeah.
Arms right side, legs together. Put your toes together. Looking up and holding.
I don't want that.
No, Leo, don't you worry. I'm right here. I'll hold you the whole time.
I'm still gonna fall.
Fall into the water? Leo, I would never make you fall into the water. I want you to put your head right on my shoulder. Is that nice and comfy?
Like a pillow.
It is like a pillow.
Tickle my ear.
It's tickling your ear? The fishies sometimes tickle your ears, but it's okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, how was that?
Good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Arms right side. Ready? Can you count to 5? 1, 2, count, Leo. 3, 4, 5. Oh, you did a good job. You want to look up to the wall, and you're going to push up the wall like Spider-Man. Make a soldier. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push up the wall. Soldier. Make a soldier. Good job, Leo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time I'm going to hold just your head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Big push. I got you. Arms right side like a soldier. It's like a soldier, Leo. Don't you worry. I'm right here. Put your toes in the water. Like a soldier. Good job, Leo. See how when you're nice and relaxed, you're going to float really, really nicely. If you move a lot, that's when you sink. You want to make sure you never look at your toes.
Great backglide, Leo. Let's go get the last ring.
He's up. Oh, Leo, I think you did a pretty good backglide. You could get my ring now. Oh, yay! You need a towel. No, you don't need a towel. All you gotta do is open your eyes, blink, blink, blink. That's it. No towel needed. Well, Leo, you got all the rings.
Yay! We got all the rings. We can play with our boat now. Great job going through all the frogs and doing all your skills. Uh-oh. What's that?
Leo, do you hear that? What's that? It's the bubble monster. Oh no! Leo, he's gonna take all your rings. Hey, you may have done all your skills, but you gotta do one more skill for me.
What is a bubble monster?
I want Leo to do his kicking if he wants to get all my rings.
I can bubble monster.
Oh, we'll see about that. We're gonna play a game to practice, okay? This is called red light, green light, okay? When I say red light, you stop. When I say green light, you go. Kick, 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 kick. All right? You don't want to bend them. We don't bend our knees to our chest. We keep it nice and straight, okay? Ready? Green light, go. Kick, 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 kick. Green light, green light, green light. Red light. Yellow light. What's yellow light? Yellow light, slow kicking. Let's go slow kicking, up and down. Slow kicking, slow kicking. Green light, go. Kick, 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 up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yellow light, slow kicking, slow kicking, slow kicking. And red light. Okay, Leo, those are really good kicks. I think you're ready to go and swim all the way to the rocks. Like splash your legs, splash. Splash, Leo, splash, 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 splash. Good, Leo, go. Kick, kick, green light kicks, green light kicks. That was good. I like the green lights. Let me see green light kick, green light kick. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Up and down, up and down, up and down. That was so good. What does he want you to do? Hello, Bubble Monster, was that good? He said, oh, you need to do your front kicking. Front kicking? Can you do your kick on your tummy? Splash, 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 splash.
Nice splashing, Leo. Building confidence underwater always helps you become a better swimmer.
I'm right here. I'm right here, Leo. Keep going. Kick, 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 kick. Grab the wall. Grab the wall. Grab the wall. Yeah. Kick, 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 kick. Grab the wall. Grab the wall, Leo. I'm right here. Good job. So make sure you keep your arms at the top of the water. Monster, let's go back to the Bubble Monster and see if he liked it.
Can you get all the rings?
Can he get all the rings, Bubble Monster? Oh, I don't think so. I need you to do a jump. A jump? Can you do a jump?
I'm just gonna do them.
Okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, jump. Woo! Whoa, that was so good. How was that?
Good.
Can you jump? I want you to blow bubbles. All in me. 1, 2, jump. Woo! Come here, come here. Kick. Ah, you did a good job, Leo.
You got all the now?
You get all your rings, sure. I'll see you next time. Whoa! Yay, Leo! Let's get all our rings. We got all the rings. Good job. Now with all our new skills, I think it's time to play. Let's use our new skills and swim in the water. Yay! Let's go. All right. Whoa! You got the blue froggy. Whoa! Good job. What frog do you want to get?
That one.
Say green.
Green.
Okay, go swim underwater and get the green one. Oh, you got the green one, Leo. And Bubbles, let's go get the pink one. Ah, Leo, you're a fish now.
I'm a fish.
You are a fish. Go underwater, Bubbles. Go get all the rings.
Great job.
Good, you got the green one.
Wow, Leo, you could stay underwater for so long. Make sure you don't breathe in.
Oh, how many rings did you get? 2. All right, now I want you to get 3 rings, okay? That's hard. You got it. Ready? Go get 3 rings. Ready? Breathe in. Go. 1. Oh, you got all 3 of them. Good job, Leo.
Now that we've learned our swimming skills, let's join swim instructor Michael for a simple tip parents can try at home. It all starts with blowing bubbles.
Hi parents! Bubbles are super important because it teaches our kids how to be comfortable in the water. So the first thing we want to do is we want to try bubbles just with their mouth. And I say blow candles. Pretend this is a candle in the water and Leo's gonna blow it. Can you blow candle? Then we transfer that skill into the water. Can you blow candle into the water? Go just like that. So their mouth doesn't go into the water, but they're used to blowing out and they're close to the water. And then you slowly get them to blow bubbles just like this. Leo, can you demonstrate what it looks like to blow bubbles with your mouth in the water? So that's with their mouth in the water. Can you demonstrate what it's like to blow bubbles with your mouth and nose in the water? Show me mouth and nose. So that's with their mouth and nose in the water. It gets them used to having the nose covered with water and the mouth covered with water. Leo, can you demonstrate how to do mouth, nose, and eyes in the water? 1, 2, 3. So once they do that, you introduce them to a whole other world. And that's how you get your child to do bubbles. Little by little, every child learns differently. Never force your child to go underwater when they don't want to. Do it at their own pace. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I see my kid is comfortable blowing bubbles for 3 seconds underwater. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put him underwater fully submerged for 3 seconds maximum so I know he's super safe. Here we go. And we're gonna try to make him get the ring. 1, 2, 3. Up. Good job. And you do that over and over again until they're so good at it that they wanna jump in the water just like Leo. It all starts from just a little bubble. Ready, Leo? Let's go get all of them in the blue. And he could stay under there forever. Look, he doesn't even want me to hold him. And push. Good job, Leo. Once your child gets super comfortable under the water, they could do all the skills they need to do to pass all their swimming levels.
Before we go, let's review one more important thing. Water safety.
Let's learn about safety in the water. Leo, you gotta make sure every time you're in the water, you always gotta stay with mom and dad. That's safety number 1. Do you go next to the pool without mom and dad?
No.
No, good job. Leo, do you run around the pool? We don't run around the pool. We need to walk, okay? Otherwise, we're gonna slip and fall. When you have no life jacket and you're around the pool, You have to stay an arm's distance from mom and dad, okay? So look how far I am from you. That's how far you gotta stay from mom and dad. You can't go farther, okay? And if we're ever in trouble, we always call for help. Can you say help?
Help.
Say louder, help.
Help.
Good job.
Finished that one.
That was a fun lesson. Thanks for watching Leo learn how to swim. I hope you learned a lot. And I'll see you next time.
And subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Bye, everybody.
See you later. We're gonna swim.